Hello children, hope everyone is doing well. Today, let's start our class with a very exciting game. Are you ready to play the game with me? Now, to play this game, I have this Pandora box. It's full of surprises. Do you want to see what surprise I have in store for you? Come children, come along with me. Now, before we start this game, I would like to tell you one rule of this game. I will be describing something about the object and you have to guess the object. So, are you ready children? Come along with me. Now, the first one which I am going to take out, oh my God, it is jumping inside the box. Who is it? Can you guess? No, it is white in color. Still, no guesses? It loves to eat carrots. Now can you guess who is that little one? Yes, it's the bunny rabbit. So, the bunny rabbit loves to eat carrot. Come on, let's guess the second one. Now, this object, we take this object or want this object on your birthday. You love to eat it. You have candles on it. Can you guess? Yay! It's the birthday cake. So children, did you love the game? Now, have you noticed that while I was describing each and every object, I was using some of the words like white rabbit, loves to eat yummy carrot. So the words which are highlighted or I am stressing upon, those words are called describing words. Like when we use any words to describe any object, person, place, animal or thing, those words are called describing words. These words are also called as adjectives. So, come along with me, I am going to tell you a story and what you have to do, here we have an activity again for you. You have to guess the describing words or the highlighted words. Come along with me, let's see the story. Now, the story is about the very hungry caterpillar. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on the leaf. So, here which is the describing word? Little. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and popped out of the egg came a tiny and a very hungry caterpillar. So, here the describing words are warm, tiny and hungry. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one crunchy apple, but still he was very hungry. Nom, 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 eating the crunchy apple. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still very hungry. So, 2 is a describing word here. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 juicy plums, but he was still hungry. So, 3 and juicy were the describing words over there. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still very hungry. So, 4 is the describing word here. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of yummy chocolate cake, 1 cold ice cream cone, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake and 1 slice of watermelon. And that night, what happened? He had a stomach ache. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through one nice green leaf, and after that he felt much better. Now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out. He was a beautiful butterfly. So children, you have seen so many describing words in this story. So keep practicing with different describing words, find out more words and make a list of describing words or adjectives. Hope you have enjoyed the class. Till then, thank you, bye bye and take care.